Hello. All right, are we ready to go? I think we're ready to go.
Yep.
All right, a lot of people have been emailing asking for support with different video formats and trying to get video lessons out to kids. And I just wanted to give you an option of using your YouTube channel that most of you probably don't even know you have. It's built right into our Google accounts. So when you log in, let me show my screen. All right, everybody seeing my screen or
Yep.
starting to? Okay.
Yes.
So when you go to YouTube, when you sign in, it's going to sign in with your Bo account. And this is really important that you're signed in with your Bo account because we will not be able to get your private accounts whitelisted. But when you're prompted, it'll ask you to sign in with Google and you just follow those steps. So your YouTube channel, I'm just doing this really fast. This is not going to be like an expert one, but a basic. Once you have a recording in any format, like WeVideo, or you can use iMovie, you can use your phone, you can actually take a video of your phone. You go right up here to the creator button and you go to upload a video. And this will lead you through the 3-step process, 4 steps maybe. You select your file. And I'm just going to do my Zoom tutorial here that we just did. And it's going to start uploading for you. I mean, it's really kind of easy. You have playlist options here that you can make new playlists, which are kind of handy, but not necessary. And I'm going to throw this into the tutorials. And I always mark mine made for kids. This gives you features that are personalized for school, and it also will put your domain, I believe, in education. Age restrictions here is, well, that's not for us. That's for adult videos, I guess. But these are really simple steps. Now, I had a problem with my thumbnail and did not realize Beth made a movie, and when I uploaded it, I just skipped this step. And the thumbnail that the kids see as the preview was her with this, it was a really rotten moment in her video where she was like, with 2 thumbs down. And it was like really bad. So you can upload your own thumbnail or just let it pick. Most of them I don't really even care. So I go to the next, and this one I completely skip, number 2. And number 3 is your visibility. So I have switched mine over to public, but I highly recommend unlisted. Unlisted will keep your video private from the internet, but it will give you the same link right here that you're going to use to copy and paste. And it basically hides your video from the public. And so then you can just post this on. Now, I'm not going to get my thumbnail until I'm done processing the video, so it does take a few minutes. Oh, it's actually detected a duplicate, so it's going to cancel. So once it publishes, it's going to come up on your video list. This one, sorry, I should have picked something different. It's going to come up right here on your video list. And at any time, you can come back here and get the shareable link right here. And that's the link that you can post on your Google Classroom. You can send it out in an email. You can post it on your Google site. And it's really easy. The only trick is that, I'm going to switch back over now. Are we back in view mode?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The only trick is if you're going to use YouTube, you're going to have to get your channel whitelisted from the tech department, which is super easy. They have 100 spots they can whitelist for each grade level. But now every video that you put into your YouTube channel will automatically be whitelisted. So you won't have to ask for them to be unblocked one at a time. So anything you throw in there, as long as you get Joanne or Chris or Roy to whitelist your channel, you're unblocked and you're good to go for kids. So it's really handy. If any of you are WeVideo users, you can export your WeVideos right to your Google Drive. And from Google Drive, I download it and then upload it back into YouTube. So it kind of makes it easy. It's super simple to record a quick little lecture or instructions or whatever, and then post on YouTube. So it's something that you probably really should consider. It'll take a Chromebook recording, it'll take your iPhone, it'll take a Samsung, it'll take just anything. So super, super easy. So anybody have any questions?
So, Paul, I saw that when you were there, is it going to be open to public or private? I saw the option for private. What if I choose private? Can I get the link, shareable link with my students?
Yes. So that works similarly to unpublished, except for private, I think gives you another level of protection. Like I don't think they can share the link out. Unpublished, they can share the link.
Okay.
So I think that's the main difference between that. But yeah, I would recommend either going private or unpublished.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Melissa, whitelisting is when your channel is put on the good list and it's allowed. So it's basically unblocked, and any content that you put in there will be automatically unblocked.
Paul, I have another question. What if I found a video from other educator that I like and I want to add it to my site and then share with my students? Will it be right away cleared? Because no? Okay.
No. Only your own videos will be automatically cleared.
Okay.
So if you want to share somebody else's video, you will have to go through the process of getting it unblocked. Unless it's a fellow teacher at Bow and their channel is whitelisted too.
Okay. Is it any way you can see it if it's clear, the video is cleared or not on this channel?
Oh, you mean if your channel is whitelisted? No, because that's on the back end of the tech department. They can pull up the list of all their whitelists, but it won't show you.
Okay.
The only way you're going to know is that the kids can see your videos. So.
Okay.
But it's an easy email to ask them to whitelist your channel. So.
Okay.
Paul?
Yeah.
Do we actually have to send whatever it is that we recorded to, like Joanne, and they have to watch it, or how does that work?
No. So we're going to be responsible for making sure we edit our own stuff. So
right, how does she whitelist it if she doesn't know what it is?
She'll just whitelist your whole channel. So she's not going to clear every video. That's going to end up being your job to make sure every video is appropriate and there's no student information shown. That's my biggest trick when I'm doing tutorials, is to make sure I don't have a student email on the screen that's shown or a student name of any kind. And so just you have to be conscious of that and make sure all your content is good.
Okay.
Anybody else have a question? All right, that's it, short and sweet. I'm gonna make some more tutorials on my website, specifically on how to get your videos into YouTube, how to make videos. So I hear a lot of people asking for it. So figured that would be our next thing. So, all right, cool. I'll see you all later.
That'd be really helpful. That's awesome to have that so we can go back to it.
I want to see Morris. Hey,
you might be sorry you asked for that.
There's some costumes and fun stuff in my room in a tub that I borrowed from Sue Shore. I think I borrowed it from.
Oh, we went to your room.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, get those costumes.
Thanks, Paul.
All right, you're welcome. I'll see you guys later.
Thank you, Paul. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I forgot I'm recording. I have to turn it off.